Basic English conversation. Practice.
Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
What is your name?
My name is Kevin. What is your name? My name is Angelina. Nice to meet you, Angelina. Nice to meet you too. How old are you? I am 7 years old. What about you? I am 7 years old, too.
This is my sister.
This is my sister. She's cute. Yes, she is. What is her name? Her name is Dora. How old is she? She is 3 years old. Is she tall? No, she isn't tall.
I have a dog.
I have a dog. Is it a boy or a girl? It's a boy. What's his name? His name is Poppy. What color is he? He's brown and white. Is he big? No, he's small.
I have cousins.
I have cousins. They are twins. Are they boys? No, they're not. They are girls. Are they tall? No, they're not tall. They are short. How old are they? They're 1 year old. What are their names? Angel and Lita.
Do you like bananas?
Do you like oranges?
Yes, I do.
Do you like bananas?
Yes.
Do you like pineapple?
No, I don't.
Do you like pineapple?
Yes.
Do you like cherries?
Yes, I like cherries.
When do you go to school?
When do you get up? I get up at 7 o'clock. When do you eat breakfast? I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. When do you go to school? I go to school at 9 o'clock. When do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
What do you do after that?
When do you get up?
I get up at 7 o'clock.
What do you do after that?
I wash my face.
What do you do then?
I eat my breakfast.
What do you do after that?
I brush my teeth.
Where is the board?
Where are the books? They are on the shelf. Where is the board? It's on the wall. What's on the board? A marker is on the board. Where is the clock? It's on the wall.
What does the monkey have?
Where's the monkey? It's in the tree. What does the monkey have? It has a banana. Where is the rabbit? It's on a stone. What does the rabbit have? It has a carrot.
Can you swim?
Can you swim? No, I can't. Can you? Yes, I can. Where do you swim? In a swimming pool. Can you dive? No, I can't. But I can jump in the pool. I can jump in the pool, too.
Do you want some cookies?
I'm home, Mom.
Do you want some cookies?
Yes. Where are they?
They are in the basket.
Where is the basket?
It's on the table.
I see it. Can I eat all of them?
Yes, you can.